Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the letters of the word geometry are arranged alphabetically, how many letters will remain at the same position? So the given word is Geometry. And when arranged alphabetically, we get EEGMORTY. So E has remained at the same place, M has remained at the same place, and Y has remained at the same place. So there are three letters that remained at the same position. Answer is option C.